Comfort, spacious, reliable, at syempre, malamig ang aircon. Check mo tong new arrival natin. I got you ulit! Good morning guys. Meron tayong new arrival. 2020 Nissan Terra VE, automatic transmission, exterior-wise, fresh original paint at auto-retractable side mirrors, 18 inches wheels at makakapalang tires. Sara projector headlights, LED day running light, fog lamps, upgraded yung busina, may camera at 7 ang ending. At sa engine, it's a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder CRDI na rin to, automatic transmission, turbo diesel engine at syempre napakaganda ng kondisyon ng makina. Hindi natin bibenta yan dito kung pangit yung kondisyon. Magdala na scanner at mekaniko para ma-assure mo. At dito sa loob, intact na headliner, fresh gamusa seats at well-designed na dashboard. May outlet source doon, touchscreen infotainment system, climate control, may mga USB ports dito, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders, center console, at napaka-fresh na steering wheel. May controls dito at may cruise control, analog display, at vanity mirror on both sides. May shade holder na rin to at may dashcam at ang favorite part ko, so, pwede mong kontrolin yung second row seat kapag nasa driver at passenger side ka. Kaso, manual mo siyang ibabalik. Nissan, ba't naman ganun? At sa second row, okay ang leg, shoulder, and headroom. 6 foot ang height ko. Meron siyang air vents, another air vents at aircon controls at infotainment system at armrest na may 2 built-in cup holders. At sa third row, medyo masikip pero kasya naman ako. Meron siyang overhead vents at cup holders on both sides. At sa pinakalikod, may mga back sensors at 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 na back camera, ewan ko na lang kung mabangga ka pa dyan. At sa trunk, napakaluwag ng trunk space at kompleto ng tools, spare tire and jack. So this is the 2020 Nissan Terra VE automatic transmission. So kung gusto nyo to guys, for only 1,085,000 pesos lang, mauuwi mo na to. Open to for cash, trade-in and financing. So tawag ka na, lamig ng aircon neto, swear. Thank you guys, peace out.